my cat ate my microphone cable. So if it's gonna be a little echoey, I'm sorry guys. Don't worry, she's fine. She threw up like a few minutes ago. Hey guys, I'm Pietrick, welcome back to my channel. Today's start of the day is none other than Nona. When Nona's back, I'm back. I don't really hear like in my area like anyone listening to Nona, so it's like they're my, you know, a place where I can just disappear for a few minutes when I'm listening to them. Yeah. How do we feel about Nona surprising us with honk honk? And I also saw something. Is there gonna be an actual album? God. I like the license plate says Nona. They had to do it. I like when artists do it actually, yeah. Sabang Merauke? What does that say? Did I pronounce it right? Sorry. Esther is like, please. Is Christy that tall? Oh my god, I thought that she's like really tiny petite. No. Wow, look at that. Okay. I need to calm down. I'm an adult. Look at me, look at her. In the rearview mirror. Right into it. Get in a taxi, never pass me. That equals I'm so hard that not one taxi can pass me by. In the taxi, never pass me, race set, go. Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. That was so good. You know, I watched I'm just speaking from what I saw on TV. I watched a survival show like a few weeks ago. They were like in Indonesia and they had to get in like in taxis and cars, like in any vehicle to get from one point to from A to B. That was actually what the whole survival show was about. And in Indonesia, the life is happening on the streets. And I'm not saying that Indonesia is a ghetto. No. It's just like there's so many people and the population also seems to be very high, actually, yeah. So the traffic also needs to live up to that. And wow, life in Indonesia seems so busy to me. Wow. Wait! That's like a little orchid, isn't it? That would be... Wait! I was gonna say that this would be such a great potential merch. I definitely buy one. Go running round, got the running round, and we make it down. Girl. Tropical days with my itty bitty waist by my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping tropical days with my itty bitty waist by my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate. You know what, primarily this track being like a dance track like Rollerblade and Work, she brought in something. Her verse was almost like this R&B like 2000s vibe. Oh my god, I love that. It kind of reminded me of Superstitious was that one, Superstitious is that bitch. Maybe kind of Pussycat Dolls, you know, that kind of vibe. Wow, this verse was good. That was great. Wow. Nah. Another one. Pause a little bit by the end. That's great. That was a great closing to the song. Wow, I'm so surprised. Even though I was expecting something like, you know, something like that, it was very unexpected. Very unexpected. Especially love how they incorporate the culture in their songs and in their persona, you know, because they're not trying to be this perfect visual girl group. They're not trying to be this manufactured, always perfect girl group who highlights the beauty standards over everything, you know. Their primary point is being from Indonesia, being proud from being in Indonesia, and I love that so much. I love that so much. This might actually be my favorite track out of the last 3 that came out. I don't know, guys, tell me yours, tell me your opinions about this. Also, I saw that a lot of comments wanted me to react to a few live performances, and they are gonna come. I know what we all think of Patreon. Thing is, I got 2 copyright strikes. So if I'm gonna get another one, my channel will be gone. So I'm not gonna risk reacting to live performances. I hope you guys understand. So I'm gonna announce my Patreon soon, and the first videos are gonna be, you know what they are gonna be. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for being here. I can't wait for the new album. Is there gonna be an album? I guess so. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for being here, and see you in the next one.